case he pop his head up, I'll be ready with the big gun, huh? Just in case he pop his head up, I'll be ready with the big gun, huh?
Hello, 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 everyone. This is Pinkie with Phenomenon, and I have a new video for you all. Yes, and I hope you all like it. I just happen to find it very interesting, shocking. It's crazy, but shocking. Crazy, but shocking. But I'm going to go ahead and get on with it. Let me just say, this video is educational, but also it's entertainment, and it's alleged, and it's my opinion. Okay, but let's go ahead and get on with the house rules first. The house rules, I need everyone to hit the like button. That's the thumbs up. That's the one I need everybody to hit so I can get in the algorithm. And can you also go ahead and subscribe to the channel? I need some subscribers to get this channel pushed in the right direction. So if everybody can hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, I'm going to go ahead and thank you right away so we can get on with the matter at hand. All right. Now, we're going to be talking about this shocking footage. These are some videos I got to show you. I thought they was like crazy as F, but these are giant alligators. You know, these alligators, they're chasing you. This man is fishing, and I'm just going to have to let you see it for yourself. See all these big ass alligators? I don't know where these things are coming from. I really couldn't tell you. But let me go ahead and get on with this so you all can see this. I thought it was crazy as F. But we're going to go ahead and get on with the matter at hand. All right? Let me get that video started for you. Okay. Now, let me just say this. This information is, the credit for this video is going to be down in my description box below the video. This is with NDTV. It's called Watch. Giant Alligator Chases Florida Man Doing Tadpole Fishing. Now, I know about tadpole fishing. I have done it when I was young. But I don't do it in an area or a lake or a pond that got alligators. I don't. I did. Only thing they had was fish, snakes, and things like that. Frogs, but not alligators. Ooh, I don't fool with those. But I'm going to go ahead and let y'all see this video. All right? So let's get started. Now, guys, this is a time that I would be running. I would have been running a long time ago. But for some people, this is the time. The other people, you need to run now. Because that alligator, you can't see him. He can come around and come and bite you in the butt. Take that whole leg off. You think you're looking directly where your pole is. No, that alligator can swing around and get you. Ooh, some people, nerves of steel, not me. Now, did y'all see that? I would have been out of there a long time ago. Some people got nerves of steel. I'm not the one. I'm serious. I'm not the one. I will not be playing with no alligator. No. I'm serious. Some people, they can just, I don't know. I'm just going to say. Okay, guys. Y'all ready for this next one? Huh? Okay, here's the next one for you. But I tell you, you got to be a little on the crazy side. Okay? Here's the next one. Now, this is with WESH2 News. And this man is going to catch an alligator in the garbage can, the trash can. It's going out the trash. Here we go, guys. Here we go.
Oh. You going back? You going back? I'm going back too. Baby, watch out, watch out.
Get the down, Inaya. Right there.
Hey, let me know when the head go on the side. Let me know. Somebody let me know the head go on the side of the thing.
I got you, go.
I don't know video.
You can't do here. You the only nigga that I know what to do. That's crazy. Well, everything. All right, let him go, bro. Hey, bro, when you let it go, you gotta hop out and Hey, bro, back up.
Guys, now that was crazy. You know what? That don't, well, he did what he did. But to me, I would think it's better to call the animal rescue or whatever, because if you came out of that little swampy area, that little lake, it came up to your door one time, I'm quite sure he can do it again. If not your door, what about if a small pet is running around, your dog or your cat is in the yard, or a small child is walking past or playing in that area? You see what I'm saying? Don't put him back in there across the street from your house and across the street from everybody else's house. But people do what they want to do. But I would be afraid. No, he's in there. Put something heavy on top to keep him from coming out. Well, he's strong, but I'll make sure he won't come out. And call animal control to come and get the booger. You don't want something like this running around, but this was much bigger, running around in your neighborhood. Okay. Now let's get on to the next video, guys. This is the next and the last. Okay. Whew. I'm not about to play with an alligator. That is a dangerous situation for that alligator to try to make its way back out of there. I will not try that at one bit. Now, the next in the last video is with ABC7. Okay. And these are boaters that took the wrong turn into a river or a lake with hundreds of alligators surrounding their boat. Oh my God. I would just pass out. No, I would close my eyes and get me out of there. Close my eyes and get me out of there. I'm serious, guys. Y'all don't know me. I'm afraid of I'm afraid of big animals like that. Son, oh Lord, here we go, guys. Now remember, all this information will be down in my description box.
I'm coming. They ain't gonna mess with you. They get out your way. There's a pile of them, dude.
Oh my God.
These gators everywhere. They're laying on the banks.
Ooh,
Here,
this is just cringing for me. Oh my God. This is too much for me. This is too much, guys. I am in fear, fright mode, flight mode, whatever you want to call it. I bet you some 13 and 14 footers.
you might want to sit down.
Ooh. Oh no. Oh no. It's time to run. It's time to go. I will put that. Is there a way you can just, that's a small, narrow path. Is there a way where you can just turn that boat around and go back the other way? You think I would go through there? No. Guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it.
Can't you pop his head up? I'll be ready with the big gun, huh? Just in case you pop his head up, I'll be ready with the big gun, huh?
Guys, thank you all for watching. You all have a good night. And please go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe. I need to get some more subscribers on this channel. This is just my third channel. I got 2 other channels, okay? But this one, just go ahead and hit that like button for me. All right? Thank you guys. Y'all have a good night.